In this video, I will show you chat photo download error, fix it fast step-by-step guide. Now go back from here. Before that, let me tell you that if you are a new viewer to my channel, then subscribe to my channel. Go to Settings. Now scroll down. Click Apps. Searching ChatGPT. Scroll down. Click Storage. Delete clear data and clear cache. Now go back from here. Now go to Google Play Store. Searching ChatGPT. Update ChatGPT apps. Now wait a moment until it updates. Click Open. Now sign in your account. Complete your account creation now. Now I will create an image and download it to show you. Now I will create a new image and download it for you. Until then, stay with me. Look, the picture is ready. Now I will download this picture. Now click Download icon. Look, my picture has been downloaded. I hope you understand how to solve this. Thanks for watching.